What? What's baby one, Mama? What's baby one? Where's baby one? Hmm? The baby one's baby just finished shower. What do you want? You just finished shower. Mama just shower you. You eat your lunch. When you use your bathroom, you're all set to sleep. Hey. Oh. Oh. I just want to sit with Mama. Yeah. I just sit with Mama. Right there. He's sitting. He's just sitting there. I asked him what he wants. I asked him what he wants. He puts my arms up. He just wanna sit there. I told him I showered him already. He used the bathroom at 10:30, and he ate already. And all he has to do is sleep. See, all he has to do is sleep. Where you go now? No, you messed up our recording now. Hey, you wanna see the cat again? You wanna see? Is that your favorite doggy? You washy your doggy? Washy. Are you sleepy? Oh. He's so confused because he's ready to go.